Welcome to the future of premium leather manufacturing today. Precision engineering meets timeless craftsmanship in every single detail.
Our dedicated team ensures every shipment arrives perfectly on time.
The journey of excellence begins at our high-tech facility. Only the finest Brahman cattle enter our elite processing system. Expert handlers maintain a calm and stress-free environment here. Advanced smart gates track every animal with absolute digital precision. Our top scientists monitor health data in real time constantly. Cutting-edge laser scans create a perfect three-dimensional digital map. Every metric is analyzed to ensure superior material quality always.
We use biometric data to select only the best hides.
A thorough automated cleaning process maintains the highest sanitary standards. Every step is controlled to protect the integrity of leather. Our streamlined process ensures maximum efficiency and animal welfare throughout.
Advanced thermal imaging detects even the smallest hidden hide imperfections.
Full traceability is guaranteed for every single piece of leather. Entering the heart of our most advanced technological processing center. Innovation and automation define our commitment to total product quality. We observe every detail to maintain our world-class leather standards. Visualizing the perfect cut using the power of spatial computing. Precision mapping allows us to optimize every inch of material. Constant monitoring ensures our production meets the global luxury demand. Inspecting the fiber density to ensure maximum durability and strength. Only the highest grade materials receive the LT leather certification.
Dynamic movement analysis helps us understand the hide's natural elasticity.
Invisible digital marking tracks each hide through every processing stage. Secure environments protect our most sensitive and advanced scanning technology. Our proprietary robotics are designed for gentle and precise handling. Calibrating our equipment to achieve the perfect leather thickness consistently. Automated lifting systems handle delicate hides with extreme care always. Maintaining a pristine environment is essential for our luxury output. Intricate designs are executed with microscopic precision using laser technology. Analyzing cellular structures to enhance the leather's soft, natural feel. The wet blue process preserves the leather for lifelong durability. Massive scale meets meticulous care in our specialized tanning drums.
Carefully controlled temperatures ensure the dye penetrates every single fiber.
Our quality control team checks every batch for color perfection. Advanced robotics efficiently manage the heavy lifting and wet processing. Skilled artisans work alongside robots to prepare the leather perfectly. Consistency and thickness is achieved through our precision rolling systems. A human touch ensures that every hide is truly exceptional. Refining the leather surface to reach a velvet smooth finish today. We measure to the micron to meet exacting client specifications. Our rich, sustainable dyes create deep and vibrant leather colors. The tumbling process softens the leather for a luxurious feel. Fine-tuning the tanning cycle for the perfect artisanal leather result. Careful washing removes impurities to reveal the leather's natural beauty.
Microscopic inspection confirms the superior strength of our leather fibers.
Testing the density ensures our leather stands the test of time. Controlled vacuum drying preserves the leather's shape and soft texture. Hundreds of premium hives are air-dried in our climate-controlled hall, applying the iconic grain that defines our signature luxury look. Automated finishing systems apply a perfectly even coat every time. Monitoring heat distribution ensures the finish sets perfectly and evenly, polishing each hide to a brilliant and sophisticated natural sheen.
Our designers hand-mark every hide to ensure a flawless cut.
High-pressure embossing creates a deep and beautiful leather texture today. Virtual mapping allows us to plan every cut for perfection. Our internal logistics are fully automated for speed and safety.
AI-driven nesting technology reduces waste and maximizes leather usage efficiency.
Cutting complex patterns in seconds with absolute and total accuracy. Every component is sorted and labeled for the assembly process. Robotic assistants prepare materials for our expert team of tailors. Precision detailing adds the final touch of luxury to products.
Branding our leather with the mark of true global quality.
Perfect stitching is guaranteed by our advanced laser-guided sewing systems. Handcrafted excellence is at the heart of every LT garment. Finished garments are moved automatically to our final inspection area. Every piece of hardware is attached with consistent robotic force. Final steaming ensures the jacket looks perfect for our customers. Every item must pass our rigorous 100-point quality check first. Packaging our products with the care that true luxury deserves. The LT seal is a promise of authenticity and quality. Our automated warehouse ensures rapid global shipping for all orders, tracking every shipment in real time as it leaves our facility. From our facility to the world, delivering excellence every night. Experience the incredible feel of the world's most premium leather. We are proud to lead the way in sustainable luxury. LT Leather, where tradition meets the technology of the future. Every hide carries its own unique digital identity for life. Sterilization ensures our leather is safe and ready for use. Color consistency is verified under multiple spectrums of light always. Sorting orders with high-speed precision for our global luxury partners. Our massive facility can scale to meet any global demand. AI vision systems detect defects invisible to the human eye. Our protective coatings provide a long-lasting and beautiful leather finish. Connecting our premium products with luxury markets across the globe. Our certificate is your guarantee of true LT leather quality. Loading the next generation of luxury leather for global delivery. Our people are the driving force behind our technological success. Durable stitching ensures your LT garment lasts for many decades. Precision ventilation adds comfort to our high-performance leather apparel. Our facility is designed for both efficiency and aesthetic beauty, adding a touch of real gold to our most exclusive collections. Optimizing the curing process for a perfect and consistent finish. Using 3D printing for the most intricate custom hardware designs. A beacon of innovation in the world of premium leather. Every detail is a testament to our pursuit of perfection. LT Leather, the pinnacle of luxury, technology, and sustainable craft.